एवरीवन, मनी लॉ क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। मैं फिर से विशाल शर्मा आज लेकर आया हूँ कि हम लोग कैसे जीके को क्लैट पैटर्न में, नए पैटर्न में अप्रोच करें। हाउ टू अप्रोच जीके एज पर द न्यू क्लैट पैटर्न। सो क्लास विल फोकस ऑन दैट what should be our approach, what should be our strategy, and how should we approach the GK syllabus or the GK as per the new CLAT pattern. Since we all know CLAT has changed its pattern in 2020, so we should know how to approach CLAT as per the new pattern. And so let us begin. So the question comes, why to study, from where to study, and when to study. Why to study? Answer is very simple. It consists of 25%. It consists of 25% of your syllabus. Simple. Next one, from where to study. From where to study? From newspapers, magazines, and the current affairs which is provided to you by us. Okay, so again let us go and emphasize more upon why to study. Why should we not ignore GK? As because since it is not only making 25% of your syllabus, but you may see that all the passages and all the questions which is being asked in the other subjects also, apart from your maths and your reasoning part, you will see कि many of the questions are coming directly from the newspapers. Okay, whatever is trending, whatever is in news, they are asking those questions only. So we can't ignore general knowledge. This is a basic understanding. Okay, from where to study? It is coming. You should read newspaper daily. The moment you leave reading newspaper daily, at that very moment you get out of the race. Okay, nothing else, okay, can become an alternative to reading newspapers. It's a must that you read newspapers. Okay, after that, magazines like Yojana, Kurukshetra. Okay, these all magazines are directly giving you the approach of the government. So you tend to understand what the government actually demanding from you, what is actually in news, what is the government doing nowadays. So it is very necessary that you should read these magazines also. When to study? It is a daily affair. It is a daily affair. Once you stop loving this subject, you won't be able to clear the examination, because you don't know that when you will turn unlucky, and the day you leave the newspaper, the very passage the expert come from that newspaper only. So it becomes very important for you to read newspapers daily. Okay, make some small notes out of it, what is important for you. Read whole of the syllabus once, and then go through the previous year question papers, and then you will understand what is the exam actually demanding from you. Okay, why newspapers? It plays a key role in your preparation. It plays a key role in your preparation. Current affairs is the most dynamic portion, and newspaper covers wide range of subjects, and they connect to all areas of the curriculum. Okay, it also helps you build your language, vocabulary, reading comprehension skills, critical thinking, critical approach. Whenever you read the newspaper, you will see that first they introduce what is the problem, then they give the body, that is advantages, disadvantages, and the other details. At the last they give the conclusion or the way ahead. What is the way ahead? How to go? Okay, so it is very important for us that we should start seeing newspapers, and we should start reading newspapers. If you haven't done till now, start from today itself, because you don't know when your fortunes turn around and The moment you start reading the newspapers, you be a informed citizen. The examination wants informed citizens. They want lawyers. Okay, the NLUs where you want to study, they want informed citizens. They want you to be informed about each and everything going in your society, in and around the world, whatever development is taking place. So it is very important to be informed. Okay, last one, role of static GK. For example, why static GK becomes important? Because फर्स्ट थिंग, देखो, अगर आपको बेसिक नहीं पता तो आप एडवांस कभी नहीं कर पाओगे. बेसिक नहीं पता तो एडवांस आप कभी नहीं कर पाओगे. टू नो what is actually given in the current affairs, to understand that fact, you will also have to know a basic understanding of what is the subject actually. Okay, whatever events is given in the newspaper, those events directly relate to the static portion of your syllabus. For example, I have given some example. RBI slashes the policy rate by 0.25 basis points. How is it important? How is it important to us? Important because if you don't know what is the meaning of basis points, then how will you know ki what rate has it been taken down? Okay, basis points, 100 basis points makes 1%. So when it is given 0.25, it means 0.25%. okay, so it is important. Another thing, if the RBI is taking the policy rate, or let's say if you don't know policy rate, then where you will get to know the policy rate? In your books, standard books, repo rate. If RBI is bringing the repo rate, then first thing, the question should come into your mind, why it is being done. Okay, how it is being done. Okay, what effect it will have in the market. Another thing, if you know all these, what are the way aheads? These all things will be clear to you only when you read the static GK portion. For example, another example I am taking, let's say president declares emergency. So one thing you know, ki who is declaring the emergency? Answer is president. When it is done, how it is done, in which house this issue is taken up. Okay, on whose advice president can declare the emergency, or can he declare on his own? All these things will be clear to you by reading your static portion. So with that, I wish you all the best in your preparation. Keep studying and keep reaching the new heights. With that, thank you very much. If you have liked the video, please like, comment, subscribe, and thank you.